Hello, my name is William Bradford and I'm the CEO of United Communications. If you're watching this video, that means you've made the decision to switch to the area's only local provider of 100% fiber optic internet. In this video, you'll learn how we take the fiber that I'm standing in front of and bring it all the way to your home. You'll hear from our planners, our engineers, our construction crews, and our installers on the teamwork that it takes to bring fiber to your home. Thank you for choosing United and allowing us to provide you world-class internet.
There are many factors that go into determining where fiber gets built, from areas of greatest need and proximity to our current fiber network to level of interest and competitive options. Fiber is the future of broadband, but it requires millions of dollars in investment by United, and it's not a simple process. Once we've targeted a new expansion, our engineers develop site surveys and go into the field to examine the terrain, buildings, and other infrastructure. Accurate mapping is crucial to the project, so we use the latest mapping and CAD software to determine the best and most efficient construction. As we are planning out our maps and placement, we identify any areas where we may need coordination with other utilities or companies before construction begins. The next stage is called Make Ready. This involves on-site examination of the poles being used for fiber. Is there other equipment on the pole? Who owns the pole? What are the measurements? And does any of the current equipment require moving? All within strict regulations. Permitting is a large part of the planning process and requires submitting requests to government municipalities, state transportation departments, and to other companies that may hold the rights to utility poles. Permitting includes the engineering plans and the details of installing or moving equipment. It can take anywhere from 60 to 90 days to get approvals. Fiber networks require central offices to support connectivity. United's network includes many central offices that house fiber optic hardware such as frames, housings, cassettes, cable assemblies, and more. This enables fiber to be connected to our customers. Our network operations team is in charge of maintaining a smooth running network. From monitoring, troubleshooting, and optimizing solutions, our United team achieves an outstanding 99.99% reliability level. There are two primary ways to build fiber infrastructure, and each has its own challenges. The first method is aerial. Running fiber across poles is time-consuming. In many cases, we are able to use our telephone poles to strand fiber from one location to another, but as we noted in permitting, we typically have to use poles owned by other utility or internet service providers. Running aerial requires lots of equipment and logistical planning. For example, we might be crossing major highways or railroad tracks, so we work with the proper officials to minimize interruption and take safety precautions. The second method of construction is underground. Laying fiber underground is typically more costly than aerial. In order to run fiber cable below the surface, we have to plow using special machinery or create space for the conduit using directional boring. Boring cuts a hole through the ground or underneath roads or driveways, and you can actually direct the drill left, right, up, or down. Then you pull the conduit back through the hole, allowing for easy restoration. Conduit is a strong plastic tube that protects the fiber cable from damage. As you can see, running fiber requires a lot of manpower, heavy-duty equipment, and time. All of these factors add a tremendous amount of cost to the project. Now it's time to separate the fibers and splice them together. United's splicing team has committed to multiple years of training and are certified by multiple organizations. United uses fusion splicing, which is more expensive but has a longer life than alternative methods. Each location could consist of a single splice to hundreds of individual fibers to be spliced. The fusion splicer machine is extremely precise and aligns the two fiber ends to be fused together using an electric arc. This produces a transparent, continuous connection between the fibers. This method results in optimal quality connections. The final stage of installation begins with a site survey and talking to the homeowner about the location of where they want the router to be installed and the best location for the fiber box. Determining the best route to run the fiber cable may take us to an attic or to a crawl space, making sure the fiber is not damaged and does not get in the way of other systems. Our installers take great care and attention in installing the fiber modem, which converts the fiber signal to an Ethernet line that can be used by the router. The router is tested and configured by our tech staff and verified that all systems are working properly. The last step is to provide our new customer with a guide for using United's internet service. And we help you download our U-Control Wi-Fi app. This app is a convenient mobile app that lets you define and manage your Wi-Fi experience, offering speed tests, parental controls, and more. Now you have the best fiber internet in Middle Tennessee, provided by the only local company with local customer support. We're happy to share this process with you and hope you enjoyed seeing all that goes into getting fiber internet to your home.